Why scientists were unable to solve the black matter, antimatter problem. Science and scientists are always in a state of unrest to find new horizons for greatness. It's not because they are overambitious about money or fame, but they want the collective development of the humanity. Think about a world where Tesla was not born. Think about a world where Edison was not born. It would have been a world of complete darkness. That is why it's said that intellectuals, scientists, thinkers, philosophers, they must be given respect and admiration. The society they shapes through consistent fight, the justice or truth of the entire disciplines in the world of security, they defines as not out of jealousy but for reducing social anxieties of injustice. I have mentioned about dark energies in one of my previous videos. Scientific communities can't define it properly. The energy that creates something out of nothing. The energy that stabilizes the expanding universe and prevent its collapse. The energy invisible and energy of the vacuum. Actually, my search for the dark energy and dark matter is unending. The scientists are of the opinion that this dark energy is creating the dark matter that forms galaxies, superclusters. If you have the right explanation, it's a $1 million question. Actually, initially I defined it in terms of light energies. But now I think that explanation is imperfect or not completed. Remember, these thoughts may appear hypothetical. Dark matter needs an additional inclusion of radiation. The radiation that surrounded the entire vacuum. The radiation that creates something out of nothing, when touch of photons, ignites it. You can't understand it completely if you think nuclear fission in reverse. When fission happens, along with the chain reactions, total destruction of matters, the emission of radiation definitely have some kind of creative power. You can call its creative power of matter by some kinds of radiation. That means there are unknown radioactive isotopes, other than uranium-235 and plutonium. Each capable of adding different colors to galaxies and different ionic matters of different chemical, magnetic properties. No doubt, this is the truth behind antimatters.